Hello everyone and welcome to Momentum channel. Here in this video we're going to take a look at our cryptocurrency challenge where our goal is to grow this account from a mere $500 all the way to $10,000 invested in cryptocurrencies and growing this to be to that level. We have here two different sets of accounts. One account is with our Wealthsimple crypto account, the one that you're seeing, as well as the Coinsquare account here in Canada. Let us get started with crypto account with Wealthsimple Trade and see where things are at. As you notice here, our 1 month return is showing a positive 1 month return. We're up about $6. Our 1 week return is fairly stagnant, down by about $1. 24 hours return is down by 1%. Our 1 hour return is fairly stagnant return of only up about $1. For a longer period of time, for 3 months, we are showing down by 18% or about negative $150 plus. And our 1 year return as well is showing to be around negative 12% or down about $97. So in a sense, there is definitely room for this account to grow. With Wealthsimple Trade, you can only trade and buy or sell Bitcoin or Ethereum. So we have both of them in our account. For Bitcoin, you notice here that the last trading price in Canadian dollars is at close to $47,000. We are showing an all-time return of negative 15%. And for Ethereum, we are showing an all-time negative return of 7.7%. So why don't we go ahead and add some funds with Wealthsimple Crypto? You, depending on your account type and kind of your settings, you might have some deposit, instant deposit available. So for us, you're going to go ahead and deposit the amount of $40 here. Let us go ahead and it's instantaneously. So let's just go ahead and proceed with that order. You notice this might take usually about 30 seconds, but for the most part, it's almost instant. And the $40 amount is in our account. So, all right, so we're going to go ahead and select Bitcoin to purchase about $10 worth of Bitcoin. With Wealthsimple Crypto, you can only buy at the market price. So you don't have an option to actually place a limit buy order. Let's place this order. And for the most part, it's done right away. The $10 worth of Bitcoin, we've gone ahead and bought it. Okay, let's move ahead and try to buy some cryptocurrencies of Ethereum. So we're going to again proceed and buy a similar amount, about $10 worth of Ethereum. Let us proceed, place the order, and wait for that to complete. So you saw that the order has been completed. If you go back, our overall available amount to be purchased is at $20. And this is the total amount of value invested in Bitcoin and Ethereum. You see a larger portion of our investments is in Bitcoin and a smaller portion is with Ethereum. That's the overall status of our account with Wealthsimple Crypto. Now, if we hop on over to our Coinsquare account, this is our main dashboard. You see we have a total amount of $579. We've actually deposited some amount of money into this account and are going to actually gradually add some shares and portions of Bitcoin and Dogecoin account here. With Coinsquare, you can actually select from a larger selection of markets, cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash. You can buy Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Dash, Dogecoin, Ethereum Classic, Stellar, Squarecoin, and some other currencies. So those are the options that you have. What's more, with Coinsquare, you have also an option for advanced trade, which means you can actually put a limit buy order. And this way, your buy order will only be triggered at the price that you set it for. So that's a great way of trying to take advantage of the different price ranges. You see here we had three actually limit buy orders for Bitcoin at the price of around $38,000, $39,000, and also around $37,000, but none of them have been filled. And that's just the name of the game. Sometimes you have to put those, but it's not going to necessarily get fulfilled. So why don't we go and buy at the limit buy, at least put an order for limit buy just to show you how it's done. So let's say, for example, we want to buy Bitcoin. And right now it's hovering around 46,000, but I'm comfortable with the price of 42,000. So I'm going to put the price of $42,000 and how much amount? I'm going to put around $10 and place the buy order. That way it's going to be added here. There would be some fee, as you notice here, that would be charged about 0.1 to 0.2%. You're going to put that order. Once it is fulfilled, it's been added actually here. And once it's fulfilled, it will be completed and added to our account based on the purchase that we've had as a result of this order. Let us go back to our main dashboard. Based on the price, you want to just add some immediate amounts of Bitcoin and Dogecoin. So with Dogecoin, let us go ahead. We want to trade our Canadian dollars for buying Dogecoin. So let's just put that for about, let's say we want to buy for $2 worth of it. So I'm going to get a quote. You're going to see what's that quote is going to be look like, and you can make this trade, and that's going to be added to your amount invested. That's on that. We want to also trade Canadian dollars to buy some Bitcoin. So let's say we want to buy about $10 worth of Canadian dollars for Bitcoin, and that's the quote at this time. I'm going to make this trade and proceed with that. There you have it. Those are added and done, and you see how the balance of the accounts has shifted as a result of that. There you have it, folks. A quick review of where this account is at. You see that gradually the account is growing, but of course, most recently we've had some hiccups with the volatility of the cryptocurrencies and how they've been impacted over time. I hope you found this video beneficial. I would love to hear from you and know what specific cryptocurrencies you are buying right now in the market. Love to hear from you. So don't forget to leave us a comment and let us know. If you haven't done that already, please be sure to subscribe to Momentum channel. Here on Momentum, we post weekly several videos about investing, whether it's in the stock market, real estate, or cryptocurrencies, as well as videos about financial planning and financial education. Thank you, and we hope to see you next time.